Hey, in this video, I will show you how to change an Instagram picture after posting. It's a very interesting video that basically the same principles apply to any iPhone and on any Android device. So if you appreciate me making a video just like this, you can go ahead and give me a like for the YouTube algorithm. You can subscribe if you're new, and hey, if you have any questions whatsoever, let me know in the comment section down below. So let's try to change the Instagram picture after we posted it. For example, one that I posted a while ago. I'm not that active on this Instagram account, but click on the three dots right here, click on edit. As you can see, you can change and edit a lot of things like the hashtags, the caption, the alt text. You can tag people, but unfortunately, no matter what you click, you can't really edit or change the Instagram picture after posting. What you can do is click on done, click on the three dots, archive or delete it, and just edit another one and just copy the caption that you had on this one. So changing an Instagram picture after posting, I mean, why would you do that? Just delete it and add a new one. If this video helped you out, give me a like. I want to see you next one. Bye.